Greetings people on the internet. So welcome to this tutorial. I'll be showing you how to use the animation editor of Construct 2. Right click and insert a new object to start. Choose Sprite, insert, and after you click, the animation editor comes up. So in here I'm going to select the width and height of the canvas. So I'll be working with a 32 by 32 canvas, and I'll be using the brush. You may use you may choose your size. You may use the pencil as well. I'll be using a brush with a size of 10 pixels, and the first thing is add a frame. So notice that when I add another frame, the previous frame keeps the drawing I made, and so on. So every time I add a frame, the drawing I did stays in the previous frame. So this is how it works in terms of animation. So if you want to animate a character or whatever, you may use this animation editor. Here you have all the frames, so you may move the frames if you're not happy with the position they have. So you can change its positions. And what else can I tell you about this animation editor? So yeah, if you hold Control P, you'll have a little window with the preview of your animation in the real size. So it has 32 by 32 pixels. And another thing you can do is you can change the frame speed of your frames in case you want. And also you can it's a very good idea to give a name to your animation, because you'll have some others, and you can repeat count your animation as many times as you like. I think it's the 60 for total. You can loop it, and if you loop it, I'll bring the preview again. So Control P to see the preview. As you can see, it's looping. The animation is looping. Also, you can add, this is a cool feature, the ping pong effect. It means that the software will play your animation forward and backwards. So as you can see, it goes from 0 to 4 and from 4 to 0. You can add another animation if you like, give it a name, and I'll show you how to import a sprite sheet. So selecting the Anim 2, now I'm gonna import from Sprite Strip, or Sprite Sheet if you want to call it like that, which is the usual name. So I have one here, and just make sure these numbers are correct. So in this case it's 4 frames. Delete the frame 0, it always stays empty like that. And there you go, you have the sprite sheet here. So it's basically it. This is the Construct 2 editor you may use. It's not a great tool to animate, because as you could see, you don't get the chance to have an onion skin or something similar like other softwares have, and that may not be very useful in terms of animation. But it's the animation editor of the software, and if you want to use it, just go for it.